In this video, I will show you how to play Athena Blood Twins on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Athena Blood Twins is of course a new role-playing game developed by Ethan Game Limited. Now it's absolutely possible to play this on PC even though it's an Android game using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks App Player is an Android emulator, so what that means is it's an app that enables you to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now to get started, what I will do is leave a link in the video description down below, but if you go ahead and click onto that link, you'll be taken to a website like this. On this web page you can see there is a button here which says play Athena Blood Twins on PC, so what you want to do is give that a click first of all to download the BlueStacks installer on your PC. Then what you can do is go ahead and install BlueStacks, and once that's done you're going to get a window like this with the blue launch button. So just go ahead, click the blue launch button, and that's going to go ahead and launch BlueStacks on your PC. Once BlueStacks has launched, if you did click the link in the video description down below, it should directly take you to the installation page for Athena Blood Twins. At this point, just go ahead and click the install from Google Play button, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. So at this point, what you can do is click onto the blue install button, and that's going to go ahead and start downloading and installing Athena Blood Twins on your PC. So whilst that's downloading, I just want to run through a couple of features and benefits of playing using BlueStacks. So coming onto their website, there's actually a few good reasons why you might want to consider downloading BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Now the first thing I want to mention about is the game's controls. So if you don't get on with touchscreens, of course playing on a PC or Mac is going to enable you to use your keyboard, mouse or even gamepad support on certain games. The controls will be preset for each game, however you do have the option to customize them for your own personal preferences. In addition to this, you do have a multi-instance feature which allows you to play multiple games simultaneously, and there's a really cool macros feature which actually allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press. Now there is a built-in eco mode as well for BlueStacks, which means it does optimize your PC usage. So if you are running other applications or trying to do other things as well, BlueStacks is going to optimize your PC to get the best usage for BlueStacks. Now one thing I personally like, which is really cool, is the real-time translation feature. So if there's games that have been released in certain countries but you cannot play them due to language barrier reasons, then you can actually use BlueStacks to download and play those games because it's actually got a auto translation feature which allows you to play any Android game in your local language. Of course, naturally playing on a PC is going to give you a much higher frame rate, so this does give you a overall better, smoother gameplay experience. And of course you have got the added benefit of playing Android games in full HD. So there's a number of reasons why you would want to consider using BlueStacks. Of course there's more features you can read through here on the website as well, but that is why I would recommend BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Coming back to BlueStacks, as you can see Athena Blood Twins has now finished downloading, so it's just going to take a minute or two to run through and install on BlueStacks, and as you can see we are now good to go. We've got the blue play button. So all you need to do at this point is click the blue play button, and that's going to launch Athena Blood Twins on your PC. As you can see straight away, the animation for the intro video is very smooth actually. There's no lag at all, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is just click at the top to skip past this so we can jump into the gameplay. Now when you first initially load this, it might take a minute or two to load through just because there's going to be updates and things like that to do, but once that's done you will be good to go. So here we are, as you can see in game. As you can see again, the animations are very smooth, so we're just going to go ahead, create our character and then jump straight in. And here we are, as you can see in game. So what I'm going to do is just, as you can see, I'm just going to click around and you can see that everything's running smoothly. There's no lag. It's a really great experience actually playing on BlueStacks itself. If you want to see the on-screen controls and how to control this, you can actually come up and on the right hand side you've got this menu. You can see this keyboard icon up here. So if we give this a click, you can see there's an option to turn this on, and this is going to turn on the game controls. You can see the on-screen controls here, which is what you can use to sort of move about and control the game. Of course you can turn this off as well at any point, just like so, and that is how to go ahead and play Athena Blood Twins on PC. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.